corruption has been seen now. Why now?
I think there are things that can be tolerable, and then there are things that are intolerable. But it's in the hands of the NRM. I think the NRM will judge how the seriousness of Ugandans in the next elections. Because if the NRM is fighting corruption, then they must fight it at its headquarters. Right now, the headquarters of corruption is in Parliament. So, changing that Parliament is the best gift that the NRM can give Ugandans. All the days in Chankwanzi, the president has been talking about corruption and saying corruption is the single biggest problem. So, the question is how serious the government is about fighting corruption. So, I cannot be personal. I actually have no personal problem with the incumbent speaker. I could say, in the words of Shakespeare, that I love Anita more, but I love Uganda more. That's the reason why I'm in this race to the end.